Hey, it's Gabriel Brown here, and I want to give you a new credit tip for today. Now, this tip doesn't have anything to do with credit repair or how to improve your credit, but this is a tip that is just for your edification that there's some new software available in the market for bankers, lenders, auto dealers, and credit issuers of all sort to use where they can access your credit reports without even doing a hard pull. Yes, that's what I want to talk about. It's called the Soft Pull, S-O-F-T, Soft Pull. Now, Soft Pull is a company called American Credit Systems, all right? They actually offer this service. It's a software that they sell to creditors to be able to access someone's credit without a hard pull. But with this soft pull technology, they can actually see your credit scores, your entire credit profile, okay? Just like someone would do a hard pull for Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion, this company is able to do a soft pull and see all the credit reporting information about you, and you will never see that it was actually, your credit reports were accessed. Okay, now this is huge because soft pull only requires your name and address. Your name and address to access your full credit report. This is huge. Okay, so be aware when you're going to auto dealers or bankers or lenders and you're completing surveys or questionnaires and they're just asking for your name, your contact information, address, phone number, right? They don't even need your social security number, just your name and your address, not even your phone number. Okay, so research this company, American Credit Systems. Know that your full credit report can be accessed now from a soft pull, and you will never know. And this is how you're being pre-qualified and pre-screened when you're out looking for credit. So know this and try your best to keep your information to yourself until such time that you're ready to apply. So that way you're not pre-screened and circumvented out of getting offers for pre-approvals or offers for discounts or whatever the promotional offers are. But if you're pre-screened and at the time that you're reviewed through a soft pull and your credit is not impeccable, all right, or your credit does not meet the guidelines for this company, all right, the underwriting guidelines, you don't want them to remove you from their promotional list. So know that soft pulls can negatively impact you even though you're not applying for credit, you're just giving your personal information for a survey, marketing, or for a questionnaire.